Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, PM Couponer. Today I'll be sharing 9 easy Walmart deals, including 3 moneymaker deals that you can do just using your phone. The Sangria 11.16 ounce bottles are priced at $1.06 each. Grab 2 and you'll pay $2.12. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta to get $1 back for purchasing 2. Plus 5 cents for any soda, making 2 of these bottles $1.07 or 54 cents each. If you prefer the bigger bottle, these also have an Ibotta rebate. So the Sangria 50.7 ounce bottles are priced at $1.32 each. Grab 3 and you'll pay $3.96, and Ibotta is giving back $1 when you purchase 3. Plus, this also qualifies for the 5 cent any soda rebate, making these bottles $2.91 or just 97 cents each. And that any soda rebate is a limit of 1. So just know that if you do decide to do both of the Sangria offers, you will only get that any soda rebate one time. The Twix iced coffee is priced at $2.98. Ibotta has a $2 rebate. This is a limit of 2, making this bottle just 97 cents. The Culture Pop soda is priced at $1.88. This item has a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta. Plus, it qualifies for that any soda rebate for 5 cents, making this just $1.33. The Febreze Small Spaces is priced at $3.42. Ibotta has a $2.30 rebate, making this just $1.12. Okay, moneymaker item number 1 is this pack of Carefree Ultra Thin Pads priced at $7.48. There is a rebate on Ibotta for $5, and ShopMium also has a rebate for $5, making this item a $2.52 moneymaker. The travel-sized Dude Wipes are priced at $2.12. Ibotta is giving back 50 cents, that is a limit of 5, making them just $1.62. Moneymaker deal number 2 is this Billy deodorant. So this was a bounty that I completed for the Field Agent app, which is an app that lets you do different types of bounties. For example, this specific item was a buy and try, which means that I have to purchase the item, review it, and not only does Field Agent pay me for the item, so I get that completely free, but I also receive $5 for completing the bounty. And all of their jobs are super simple. In my experience so far for the buy and try items, all I have to do is locate the exact item in the store and take one picture before purchasing, and you have a few hours to review it at home. So the in-store part of the bounty takes about a minute, and the at-home review process takes me about 5 minutes. So to get a free product and get paid $5 on top of that for 10 minutes or less of work is just super amazing. If you would like to join the Field Agent app, I will have the link in the description below. Oh, and quick tip, always pay for your Field Agent review products by themselves, because when you do, Field Agent will also cover the taxes. So yeah, in the end, this item ended up being a $5 moneymaker for me. Moneymaker deal number 3, of course, are these Rockstars, priced at $1.88 each. Grab 2 and you'll pay $3.76. Then submit your receipt to the Rockstar rebate app, which will give you $5 for purchasing 2, making them a $1.24 moneymaker. If you're new to this program, I will have the link to the rebate in the description below, and you are able to do this deal every 2 weeks. They will also send you a reminder text, but you are also able to share your own link to family and friends, and whenever they use it, you'll get an extra credit. So instead of purchasing 2, you can purchase 4 and get an even bigger moneymaker. Just remember to purchase only 2 per transaction. Like in my case, I had 2 credits, so I purchased 4, but I separated it into 2 transactions. So this is everything that I picked up at Walmart. The subtotal for everything was $52.02. But I got back $16.85 from Ibotta. That is not including any bonuses. Plus $5 from Shopmium, $2.60 from Shopkick, $12.97 from the Field Agent app, and $10 from the Rockstar rebate, making the final total for all of these items just $4.60 or 27 cents each. And here is the complete breakdown for you guys. That is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more money saving content. God bless.